Sagot ninyo, paano ba kayo nakalabas sa Pilipinas?
Sasakay kami lang po sa dagat.
Boat?
Sumakay kayo ng boat sa
Saan?
dagat.
Saan kayo galing? Saan kayo sumakay?
Anong klasing boat yung sabi niyong boat na sinakyan nyo?
Yung maliit na puti.
Ilan
Ilan daw
kayo
kayo
sa
sa
van?
van?
Tatlo po.
Tatlo. Sino-sino?
Kaming tatlo.
Sino?
Sinong tatlo?
Si Alice tsaka si Wesley po.
Dad, sabay pala kayo ni Alice, lumayas. Sabay kayo ni Alice, lumayas dito sa Pilipinas.
Opo.
Oh.
At
O, yun na.
yung... Sendo Roy, and then NBI, let's hear from you. Paano nakaalis sa Pilipinas sina Alice Go? Sendo Roy.
Yes, Madam Chair. Andito man lahat ng government investigating agencies ngayon, Madam Chair. Siguro kung meron na silang investigation report pertaining to this case, i-share na nila sa atin ngayon, mag-raise nila silang hand kung meron silang alam, at kung wala man, baka pwede sila magbigay man lang sa atin kahit theory man lang as to the disappearance of Alice Go for the consumption of this committee, Madam Chair. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Salamat po, Sendo Roy.
Madam
Yes,
Chair?
kung may mga reports
Madam
ang ating mga investigating agencies pakisubmit sa atin, pero tatanungin ko rin po para malaman din ng ating publikong nagnunood sa pagkaalam po ninyo, paano nakaalis sa Pilipinas
Madam
si
Chair,
Alice Go?
pwede
Yes,
makasingit?
of course, and Rafi.
Ang tanong ko sa immigration, total, nandito naman yung si Sheila. Paano siya lumabas? Ano yung tatak niya sa passport nung siya ay lumabas ng bansa?
Compton 5.
Thank you, Your Honor. Madam Chair, we were able to examine the passport of Miss Sheila when she was rendered to our country last August 22. And we saw an Malaysian immigration stamp of arrival in her passport, but we did not find any Philippine immigration stamp for her departure.
So that means it's possible na hindi siya gumamit ng aeroplano, maybe seacraft?
It is a possibility, Your Honor, that she left the country by not using the regular immigration processes.
Or she must have used an airplane, or she boarded a chartered airplane. Ito yung modus, Commissioner. Dalawang passport hawak niya. Yung isang passport ay fake. Yung isang passport yung tunay. Yung fake na passport, siyempre, nag-board siya ng chartered plane, walang sita-sita doon. Pag-akit niya ng aeroplano, darating yung CIQ, Customs Immigration Quarantine. Ipapakita yung passport na fake. Since wala namang scanner na dala yung mga nag-board sa aeroplano na mga binanggit kong taga Customs Immigration Quarantine, walang scanner, itinatawag lamang yan, am I right? Viber, kung merong hit yung pasahero na nasa harap nila at nasa manifest. Right? So, ngayon, ang gagawin ng immigration ay, of course, tatatakan yung fake. And then, itong isa pang passport na meron siya na tunay, patatatakan niya sa recto na lumabas siya. Para pagdating niya doon sa country of destination, malinis yung pagpasok niya.
Commissioner, so we can get to the bottom of yung tanong ni Sen. Rafi. I was going to ask you this later. Can you present yung passport ni na Miss Sheila Guo kasama yung mga stamps? Can you do that during this hearing, Commissioner?
The original of the passports, Your Honors, are in the possession of NBI as part of their evidence, but the Bureau of Immigration retained copies of the passports.
Then the chair will request the copies and then mamaya itatanong ko rin sa NBI kung maaring ipakita yung passport na iyon ni Ms. Sheila Guo kasama po yung mga stamps. May I recognize the presence of Majority Leader Francis Tolentino, Sen. Joel Villanueva as well. Salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Yes, Chair
Ma'am,
Coco.
bago natin malimutan yung may nabanggit kasi si Commissioner Tansingco. We have to give credit where credit is due. Ang BID, you acted on information coming from PNPIG. So, andito ba si PNPIG?
Nandito, Chair. Si General
Sino?
Salvador po.
O, General Salvador, kayo. So, saan nyo nakuha yung nyo, yung information nyo?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning po. Practically, Your Honor, the PNP Intelligence Group Foreign Liaison Division received first information that there were names of the subjects booked from Singapore to the Philippines.
General, when did you receive that information?
I don't have the official report, Your Honor, but I was informed that it was around August 14, Your Honor.
So the day before na nalaman, so the day after, pinadala nyo na po sa BI, August 15.
We first worked with our foreign police attaché counterparts just simply to verify and validate this. The fact nga po na hindi sila sumakay from Singapore to the Philippines, but instead we were able to monitor them that they went to Indonesia. So that is where the intelligence coordination went through, and since the PNP has limited authority with respect to immigrations, that's why we passed the information to the Bureau of Immigration, Your Honor.
To add further dun sa tanong ni Chair Coco, yung pagpunta po nila instead of to Singapore, to Indonesia, yun po yung pagpunta nila sa Denpasar, sa Bali. Tama po ba yun?
That may be the assumption, Your Honor, because hindi nga sila sumakay from Singapore to the Philippines.
Madam Chair.
If Sen Coco, and then I'll
I'm
go
sure
to
I'm sure meron siguro tong documentation, General Salvador. Bigyan nyo na lang kami nung however you recorded all of this information at makita namin how you operate, how you gather your information, and how you use your intelligence funds. O yan ang maganda example ng paggamit ng intelligence funds. O, kita mo, meron din tayong positibo na kasi against ako sa intelligence funds actually pagdating sa budget season. Pwede nyo pong ipagmayabang sa amin yan when I ask you how the PNP uses its mga 800 million peso yata intelligence funds yan eh. So, 900 million pesos. So, bigyan nyo po kami ng yan is one example, one achievement, and just give us a glimpse of how the documentation as far as that is concerned. Kung pwede po. Pwede.
Yes, Your Honor, including our letter to the police attaché
Madam Chair.
for the coordination, Your Honor.
Madam
Thank
Chair.
you.
Salamat, Chair Coco. And good practice, no? Naghintay lang ang PNP ng isang araw to relay that usable information to other agencies. Hindi po naghintay ng 4 na araw para makaaksyon ng mas mabilis in coordinated fashion ang gobyerno. So, Sen.
Chair.
Duroy and then Majority.
I have to attend to another
ah,
preside
kung
over
maaari po.
the
Majority
ING's
Leader,
budget.
you have the floor. Apo.
Just one question. Words of commendation probably would be in the offing for the PNP IG group as well as the Bureau of Immigration for having facilitated the return of this lady in front of us right now. But my question is this. News reports indicate, and even your spokesperson mentioned a while ago in a radio program, was that the reason why there was I forgot to comment again the government, the immigration authorities of Indonesia. The reason why it was facilitated was because coincidentally there was an ASEAN Immigrations Convention. Had it not been for that ASEAN Immigration Convention where you had the privilege of talking to the your Singaporean counterpart, Indonesian counterparts, your Malaysian counterparts, baka wala si itong babae sa harap natin. Tama ba yan?
Good morning, Your Honor. with due respect, Your Honor, it was a coincidence that we were gathered in one place in that particular day. But when we received that information, I officially wrote a letter to my counterparts in Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia.
So, wait a minute. Had it not been, even without that convention, without that face-to-face meeting, sumulat ka talaga, ma-accomplish din ito?
Yes, Your Honor. Because we have a close coordination and cooperation among
The other
ASEAN.
immigration authorities.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung totoo yung sinasabi ni Mr. Casio na lagi ko naririnig sa balita na ang pupuntahan talaga yung Golden Triangle, would it still be possible to facilitate the return of this lady in front of us? I'm now referring to Thailand where we have an extradition treaty. I'm now referring to Laos, wala tayong extradition treaty. I'm now referring to Myanmar without an extradition treaty. Kaya mo pa rin gawin yon?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, my said letter was the basis of the rendition of the two going back to the Philippines.
Na to whom it may concern sa lahat na yon ng counterparts mo sa ASEAN.
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, I also wrote a letter to Hong Kong on the basis of the information that Wesley flew to Hong Kong via Singapore.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I have no further questions. I have to preside over the DILG budget meeting.
Salamat, Majo. And then, just quickly, bago ko tawagin si Sendoroy, Director Casio, nabalitaan ko rin yung binanggit kanina na may sinasabi ang PAOK na sina Alice Guo and the rest of her party ay sinusubukang makapunta sa Golden Triangle. Pinaninindigan niyo pa ba ang statement na iyon?
There is a link to Cambodia as far as the two male siblings of Alice Guo are concerned, because for a time they had a business interest in gambling, offshore gambling operations in Cambodia. So we are forming a theory that they're trying to find a way to be able to go to that conflict area, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Director Casio. And speaking of theories, pagkatapos ni Sendoroy, tatanungin ko ulit isa-isa yung mga ehensya natin. So, as of today, ano nga yung teorya nyo? Paano nakaalis sina Alice Guo? Sendoroy?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I just would like to follow up the statement of the minority leader and the majority leader also regarding the PNP's performance, particularly the intelligence group. I would like to congratulate that unit, Madam Chair, because dyan pa ako nanggaling. I was then the Chief of Staff of PNP-IG. I became the Deputy Director for Operation, and I became the Deputy Director for Administration before I became the Chief PNP. So, congratulations sa inyo. Although, alam namin yan, Madam Chair, meron yan silang motto por la patria. Ibig sabihin nun, Madam Chair, para sa bayan. Kahit walang intelligence fund, magtatrabaho yan sila. Kasi established na yung kanilang foreign liaison connections with other countries. So, Madam Chair, since lumabas si Alice Guo na walang record sa immigration, lumabas din dito si Sheila Guo na walang record sa immigration, baka magkasabay silang lumabas, Madam Chair. Baka pwede tanungin ito kung magkasama ba silang lumabas? At paano sila lumabas? Dahil wala kang record, di ba? Sheila Guo, wala kang record paglabas. So, pwede namin malaman kung paano ka lumabas dito sa bansa? Yes. Pakisagot.
Ms. Sheila Guo?
Opo.
Tatanungin ko yung mga ahensya, yung teorya nila, paano kayo lahat ni Alice Guo nakalabas. Pero tinatanong na rin kayo ngayon, baka pwede niyong simulang sagutin kung paano kayo nakalabas sa Pilipinas.
Madam Chair, baka pwede niya tanggalin yung face mask niya.
Pakitanggal yung
SP
face
Pro
mask
Tem.
para
Maaari niyo bang tanggalin mask niyo, Ms. Sheila? Para klarong namin ikaw marinig. Briefly lang muna po kasi pagkatapos ng unang sagot nyo, tatanungin muna namin yung mga ahensya. So, yung pinaka-sagot ninyo, paano ba kayo nakalabas sa Pilipinas?
pwede mo pakitanggal sila. Mababait naman kami lahat dito. Huwag ka mag-alala. Sige, paano ka lumabas?
Sakay po kami ng boat.
Ha?
Ano po?
Sasakay kami ng boat sa dagat.
Boat?
Sumakay kayo ng boat sa
Saan?
dagat.
Saan kayo galing? Saan kayo sumakay?
Hindi ko alam yung lugar.
Pero dito lang sa Metro
Opo.
Manila, Luzon?
Siguro.
O pumunta kayo Mindanao? O
Mindanao.
doon kayo sumakay?
Saan po yung Mindanao? Hindi ko alam.
Hindi. Galing ka dito Manila. Paano kayo sumakay ng boat? Sumakay muna kayo ng eroplano o bus bago kayo sumakay ng boat? O
Wala po.
tell us the details.
Dito
Anyway,
lang.
establish naman talaga na hindi kayo dumaan sa immigration. Wala kayong immigration records. Pakishare na lang sa amin paano kayo lumabas para makorek namin yung mga
Opo.
mga sistema na yan.
Dito lang po kasi galing kami sa bahay. Tapos
Bahay.
may sunto sa amin na isang sasakyan.
Saan kayo
Diretso
dinala?
Anong klaseng sasakyan?
Van.
Van. And then, saan nga kayo dinala?
Hindi ko alam kung sa yung lugar. Siguro biyahe kami ng ilan oras. Hindi ko
Mga ilang
masabi.
oras?
Hindi ko matantaas yung matagal din.
Araw kayong umalis, then gabi kayo dumating doon? Or araw kayong umalis, araw din dumating?
Halos tapos ng dinner.
Pero umalis kayo ng Manila, araw pa?
Gabi.
Gabi rin. So, umalis kayo ng gabi, and then dumating kayo doon.
Hating gabi.
So, isang buong araw kayo bumiyahe?
Hindi po. Hindi siya isang buo araw. Kung siguro outer dinner, 7:08. Tapos ang lating namin hating gabi na po.
So mga 5 hours by van. Tapos anong,
Hindi ko sure kung tama pa kasi hindi ko maano sa oras po.
Madam Chair.
tapos just one more follow-up and then before SP Pro Tem. Anong klaseng boat yung sabi niyong boat na sinakyan niyo?
Yung maliit na puti.
Maliit na puti. SP Pro Tem?
Sino yung driver na sumundo sa'yo?
Hindi ko kilala.
Pati plate number ng sasakyan, di mo alam.
Hindi po.
Ilan kayo ron sa van?
Po,
Ilan,
Ilan
kayo
daw
sa
kayo
van?
sa van?
tatlo po.
Tatlo. Sino-sino?
Kaming tatlo.
Sino?
Sinong tatlo?
Si Alice tsaka si Wesley po.
That, sabay pala kayo ni Alice, lumayas. Sabay kayo ni Alice, lumayas dito sa Pilipinas.
Opo.
Oh.
At
O, yun na.
yung pagbiyahe nyo ni na Alice para umalis sa Pilipinas na bumiyahe kayo mga 5 oras, dumating ba kayo sa Pangasinan?
Hindi po. Alam ko Pangasinan hindi.
Hindi Pangasinan ang inabot nyo.
Kasi ano siya Manila, tapos lampas pa eh. Hindi ko alam yung lugar.
Lagpas
kasi hindi
pa
ako
ng
kabisado.
Pangasinan.
Maybe Bataan?
Hindi po. Papunta Manila po.
Madam Sir, ilang oras kayo sa barko? Yung biyahe niyong barko? Diretso kayo Malaysia? From
Hindi po.
Pilipinas? Saan?
May palit.
Ha?
May palit yung mas malaki pa.
Ilang oras kayo nung malit na barko bago kayo lumipat sa malaking barko?
Matagal din.
Ilang oras?
Ilang
nga?
oras nga?
Siguro hating gabi kaming sakay tapos halos umaga na.
Umaga na. Tapos yung malaking barko,
Pero hindi pa masyalo kita yung
yung malaking barko ano siya? Pasaheroan, cargo ship, o fishing ship, or
Yate.
i-describe mo,
Hindi ko alam
yate.
kung ano
Yung luxurious yacht. Ano siya? Yung malaking barko.
Fishing ship ata, hindi ko alam kasi hindi
So,
ako malo.
fishing ship, dahil may nakita kayong mga lambat at mga isda,
Yung lake na panghuli na fish.
may net na panghuli ng fish.
Tapos yun na, dumating na kayo ng Malaysia through that boat. Na
Opo.
malaki. Malaysia kayo dumating o
sasakay pa
Indonesia?
ulit. May sasakay pa ulit.
Ha?
May palit pa isang ulit.
Palit pa uli ng isang barko. Anong description ng isang barko na
yung
pinalit?
maliit naman na palang kulay
Tapos,
blue or green.
yun na, diretso na kayo Malaysia.
Opo.
Miss Sheila at mga kasama, gusto ko lang i-reiterate yung order of questioning natin dito sa ating hearing. Siguradong babalikan namin ang pagtatanong sa inyo, Miss Sheila. Gusto ko lang i-reiterate yung order of questioning pagkatapos ng chair ng subcommittee in order of arrival, si Sen Sherwin, si Chair Coco, Chair Rafi, Sen Doroy, SP Pro Temp Jinggoy, at Sen Joel.
Sorry, Madam Chair, nauna ako ha.
Okay, it's okay, Sen
I
Roy.
jumped the gun.
Okay.
Sorry,
so,
sorry.
babalikan po
Madam
natin
Chair, pwede
yung
po
order of
bang
questioning.
i-clarify
And Sen
lang?
Joel, yes, before we go back to
just one
the
thing
chair's
that I'd
question.
like to clarify
Yes, Sen Joel.
from our resource person. Binanggit,
Yes, sorry, Sen Joel. Just before you ask your question to the...
I'm not gonna ask question.
Just
It's
before
more of
your...
just to clarify what
Okay,
she said.
just before your clarification, follow up lang dun sa tanong ko kanina, Miss Sheila, sabi nyo hindi Pangasinan ang inabot nyo. Sambales kaya?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay.
Yung lugar kasi
Alright,
yung
balikan
kabisado
na-
sa buong Pilipinas po.
Okay, balikan namin kayo mamaya. Sen Joel,
Sheila, kasi kanina binanggit mo, magkakasama kayong tatlo, ni Wesley tsaka ni Alice,
Po.
dun sa bahay.
Opo.
So, magkakasama na kayo na pinuntahan noong van sa bahay. Saan tong bahay na ito?
Sa farm po.
Sa farm in Tarlac.
Po.
Tapos, sabay-sabay kayo mula sa Tarlac, mga 5 oras napunta kayo ng Pantalan, tapos sumakay kayo ng maliit na white boat, sabi mo. Yung white boat na yun, mga ilang tao kayong nandun? Estimate lang.
Hindi ko masabi. Sa
Ilan
laki?
kayo? Oo. Hindi, ilan
Tatlo
ang
kasi-
kasya dun sa boat na yun? Maliit lang sabi mo.
Oh, maliit lang po.
Kaya nga, ilang
Siguro
tao lang?
kasya
10?
10 o mga ganyan siguro.
Hindi ka makakatayo, makalakad-lakad na gano'n
Maliit
kasi
lang.
maliit lang di
Opo,
ba?
maliit
Tapos
lang po.
after 5 hours, sumakay na kayo ng malaking boat.
Opo,
Yung malaking boat na yun, ilan na kasya doon?
malami.
100 na kasya.
Marami po.
Oo, kasi yun na yung pumunta ng Malaysia.
Po.
Okay. Salamat, Madam Chair.
salamat,
Thank you for the
Sen Joel.
clarification. Chair.
So, yes, Chair Coco.
I'm a lawyer. I'm fair with my compañeros. Attorney David is raising his hand. So if we can recognize him, ano ba? What does he want to raise?
Yes, Chair. I was about to recognize Attorney David na nagsasalita dito dahil isa rin silang resource person.
Correct,
Briefly, please, and then
Salamat po,
babalikan po ng Chair
Thank you,
yung
Your
order
Honor.
of questioning.
Your
Attorney
Honors,
David.
please, considering that the resource person is already subjected for inquest before the National Bureau of Investigation, DOJ, in this interest of fairness, Your Honor, because she is waiving her right against self-incrimination, I was discussing this with her earlier, but in fairness, may we at least request for an executive session as to the manner and how she left the country?
The Chair will
Madam Chair,
act on that at the proper time, Attorney David, pag binalikan namin si Ms. Sheila for questioning.
Yeah, apparent-
Well taken yung point at saka yung request.
Yes,
And
Your
may I remind all of us na kapag may abogado tayo dito na counsel or counsel din ng ibang resource person, actually hindi namin sila pinasasalita. But, of course, you are allowed to speak dahil kayo rin po ay resource
Thank you,
person
Your Honor.
sa
Apparently,
hearing
Your
na ito.
Honor, she
So,
might
the
be-
Chair will return to this.
She might not know
excuse me,
that-
Attorney
Yes,
David.
sure.
The Chair will return to your request for Ms. Sheila at the proper
Last
time.
word. Your- Apparently,
Yes.
she might not know that she might be incriminating herself. For the, in fairness, Your Honor, at least Your Honor, executive session. Your Honor.
Madam
Very
Chair.
well taken, Attorney David, and the Chair will act on it at the proper time pag binilakan namin si Ms. Sheila para sa mga tanong.
Madam Chair.
The Chair, very last intervention at this point po,
Yes,
Sendroy,
last
kasi
time.
pagkatapos ni
Yeah.
Sendroy, babalikan ko po yung order of questioning at uulitin ko yung tanong sa ating mga ahensya, ano ang teorya nyo ngayon, kung paano nakaalis sina Miss Alice at yung party niya sa Pilipinas. Sendroy,
Yeah, Madam
very
Chair,
last po.
Unless the objection of the lawyer of Sheila Go concerns national security, maybe I will advise this committee to go on with the executive session. But very important kasi yan dahil dyan tayo palaging na lulusutan ng mga kriminal na lumalabas sa ating bansa. Kailangan malaman niya ng lahat ng publicly malalaman yan ng mga kababayan natin para makatulong sila paano natin maiwasan yung ganun bang sistema. I think the case of Ms. Hilago does not concern national security. Bakit kailangan natin mag-executive decision, Madam Chair? Thank you, Madam Chair. I submit.
Salamat kaayo, Sendroy. Pagkatapos tanungin ng Chair yung mga ahensya, ano ang kanilang mga teorya, kung paano nakatakas sa Pilipinas sina Alice Guo, I will suspend hearing para makapag-discuss tayo, mga senador, kung paano mag-act on the request ni Attorney David.